What's in my bag? Hospital edition. It's my first ever time having surgery, so I might have gone a little overkill, but I would rather be safe than sorry. First up, we have a heating pad. I know that when you get laparoscopic surgery, people say that their shoulders really ache afterwards, so this just felt like a necessity. I also have a little pouch filled with gum, mints. I've got some cough drops in here. Anesthesia can make your throat hurt. I finally have a use for all of those little Ipsy pouches that I've had hanging out in the back of my closet. In this little pouch, I have a whole bunch of hair ties because we know how they love to play a disappearing act when you need them the most. And I also brought a couple of bracelets. My jewelry is my armor, and I feel like I would like to be leaving the hospital with my armor. Moving on to some basic hygiene stuff, I'm obviously can't wear any lotions or anything like that into the surgery, so I brought face lotion, got hand cream, sunscreen, deodorant. I also brought some little hygiene wipes. I want to be feeling as fresh as I possibly can. I'm also bringing a perfume mist. So hospitals cause me like hella anxiety. So I'm hoping that if I bring a familiar smell, then it will kind of help ease my anxiety and maybe it'll trick my brain into thinking I'm somewhere safe. And this one smells so good. It smells like vanilla and pecan pie. Next up, I have headphones. I've had these headphones for like 3 or 4 years and they're by far my favorite headphones I've ever used. They're really small, so they kind of just like fit inside of your ear without sticking out, and it makes them really good for sleeping with. I made sure to bring extra loose and baggy clothes because I know I'm not going to want anything tight pulling around my stomach area. I've got some full-length compression stockings, no blood clots here, no thank you. Lastly, I have socks, several pairs, my Tangle tweezer, and plenty of lip balm.
You will not be catching me with dry lips.
If you're doing any medical in a foreign country, I highly recommend getting a plastic binder. The hospital that I'm going to gives you physical copies of all of your test results, and having one of these will make your life so much easier. Anyways, I'm going in for surgery tomorrow, so I will be back to let you know how it went.